Hello everyone, today I will be sharing with you some different gift ideas as well as making my annual Christmas cards. So the first thing which I'm going to share with you is this jumper which I got from the charity shop, which I'm going to give to my partner George. And now this was £3.49, so it's very cheap, very affordable, and it's a really nice jumper, and I think that he's going to really appreciate that. Along the same lines, I managed to find this scarf, and it's actually a barber scarf, and I found this and it was £2. So my partner likes wearing barber, but obviously they're a very expensive brand and not the most affordable. So I was really happy to find this for £2. So I think he's going to be very grateful for that. You can also get some really good deals on DVDs, because lots of people take DVDs into charity shops by the load, so they do have to try and get rid of them, so they sell them quite cheap. This one is the Snowman and also Father Christmas, and this was 99p, so I think that was very good, especially if you've got younger people as well. They might really appreciate a DVD at Christmas. I also found this board game, which is The Best of Christmas, and it was new actually. It was from a charity shop, but it was sealed, and it was £4, and we decided that we would open it before Christmas so that we could get lots of use out of it, as it's a festive game. So we've played this 3 or 4 times and it's very good. We definitely recommend it. So if you can find some board games in some charity shops, and a bonus if they're Christmas themed as well. On the subject of board games, puzzles are very good. Well, you do have to trust that, you know, there are all of the pieces, because you never know if a box has been opened, but I definitely think that puzzles are a really good thing. I know that my father's really going to appreciate this, as it's kind of a tradition that he does a jigsaw or a Lego piece every year, so I hope that he's going to enjoy this one, as he really loves Looney Tunes. Sometimes you can be really lucky when you're going around the charity shops and actually you find something which is quite personal as well. This one is a personalised gingerbread which happens to have the name of one of my closest friends, Ryan, so I think he's going to love this. So I was very happy to find this, so I hope that he likes it. If you know someone likes food and they also like doing crafts, and I don't know, maybe they have lots of trinket boxes, a small tin of biscuits is actually a really good idea, because I know that this is probably going to be a tin that I'm going to see for years and years to come on a shelf, with probably some small sewing bits and bobs in. So tins are definitely good, and you know, you can get really nice patterns on them as well. And this one's quite a nice design. And my final suggestion is to try and make your own crackers. Now this year I'm going to be using a kit which was from Aldi. It was a few pounds, and I'm going to be putting inside these very small milk chocolate donks, and now I feel like these are very cute looking. They're quite funny, so hopefully they'll have some comedic value as well. Enjoy Christmas shopping. Try and shop secondhand where you can. It will not only save yourself lots of money, but it will also save the environment and things from going to waste. So thank you very much for watching. Now on to my Christmas card making.
I always like to take the time to make the most of writing Christmas cards. During the lockdowns, I decided to start pen paling, and ever since, my love for the art of writing pen on paper has not dimmed. In each letter, I like to write about the impact that the recipient has had on my year and reflect on our shared experiences together. But writing the card is only half the fun, as I love to decorate the envelope too, if I can only find the tape. Ah, that's where it went. Now I just need to find the end. It's a lot harder than it looks. Now on to my favourite part, choosing the wax for my wax seal stamp. Now I can melt the wax and then pour it onto the envelope before pressing down with my wax seal stamp. This stamp is a special one that a friend got for me a few Christmases ago, and I love to use it to say thank you. Here you can see all of the different designs that I used on the cards. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Now it's time to put out the candles and send the cards off. Thank you for watching. Take care.